So I pull up in the driveway and this is what I see. There's a cat in the road, and it's not one of my cats, but it has a jar or a can stuck on its head. Now I'm going to attempt to remove it. Are you freaking out, baby? You freaking out, little kitty? You got this jar stuck on your head? You got this jar stuck on your head? Can you get it off? Can you get it off? Can we twist it off? Can we twist it? How bad's it stuck? Huh? How bad's it stuck? Oh my God. Oh baby, it's stuck on there. It is stuck on there. Almost. Pull out. Pull out. Pull out, pull out, pull out. And come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh my God. Shake it off. Shake it off. We'll get it off. Hold on. Hold on. We're almost there. Pull back. Okay, hold on. Alright, come on. Alright. Oh, got it! We got it! Look at the kitty go! Look at the kitty go! Chunky! So good you'll get your head stuck in the can.